This is a quick look at how to complete an assignment in Google Classroom without using email or Notability. So we're looking at lesson 3, analyzing roots and assignments, and I'm going to select the adding prefixes and suffixes. So it's not going to show up, but this is the PDF that would normally open up. So in Google Classroom, there's a pencil that you're going to see right here. If you tap on that pencil, you'll turn this worksheet into something you can edit. So it's going to so then it's going to turn black, and then you now have an editable assignment. So you're going to see that on this I'm going to be writing. So there's my name, and as soon as I write, you're going to see that a save button pops up, and that's really important. So as I'm working on this assignment, I can be adding to it, I can change things, I can edit things, and then when I'm done, it's really important that you hit the save button. So here I'm adding information. So I take the root word act and I make action and actual. And then I'm adding, I think act means to do. And how do I know? Because words that have ACT in them all mean something that you need to do. So this is a multi-page assignment, and I know that because it has a right arrow that tells me there's another page. So I'll need to turn that page. And here's the next page. So it says, what do you think spect means? And it means to see. And excuse me, how do I know? Because my glasses are called spectacles. And I'm going to continue on completing this assignment. The last page is where I have the word autobiography, and I have to figure out what each root means, and then I'm going to tell you what each piece means. And then when I have it all finished, I'm going to hit the save button. Here's where I save the finished document. It is saving it, and it's going back to the original form. So here I need to get out of the original to go back to Google Classroom. And here you're going to see something called Your Work. This is where you're going to turn things in. So you tap on the up arrow. There's your edited assignment. And then this is where you turn stuff in. No email, no Notability. It asks you if you want to turn it in. It always asks you twice. You hit turn in. When you tap that a second time, it will take you back, and it is now done. So then your teacher will be able to open your assignment, and then your teacher will be able to edit it and correct it and add information and return it to you through Google Classroom, not through email or Notability. So hope this helped.